Hi, Nova. Hi, Nova. And Star. And there's Shiloh and Max. And there's our packer. Big packs. Hi, Dawson. Dawson got a bath today, huh, Dawson? You got a bath. And Angel. You two cutie pies with your waggy tails. There's Dakota. Hi, babies. Hi, Edge. Edgy. Hi, Edge. Hi. And Moki. And Jackson. Hi, Jackson. Parky. Hi, Parks. And Selena. Hi, sweetie. There's Dakota. Hi, Pack. Hi, Packer dog. Abby. My Abby girl. Abby. Hi, Abs. Hi, sweetheart. I see you. And there's Rufus. And Buddha. Hi, Buddha. Oof, hi, Buddha. Milo. Hi, Milo. Hi, sweetheart. Taka. Happy birthday, Taka. A couple days ago, you had a birthday. There's Shasta, Nova, and Star playing. Hi, babies. Hi, Dakota. Sweet boy. And there's Coco. Coco. Hi, Coco. And Milo. And Sabu. Hi, Sabu. Oh, and Moki. You guys like to play. Hey, you just took that tag off, Sabu. You just took Moki's tag off. You think that's funny? Hi, Kona. And Shasta. Hi, Shasta. Hi, Shasta. Lily. Hi, Lily. And there's Carly. 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 Hi, sweetheart. Oh, look at that cute face. I see Milo and Dakota. There's our Pesca. Pesca. My sweetest girl, Pesca. I see that waggy tail. I know you're so sweet, aren't you? So sweet. Jackson and Moki playing. Whoa. Hairball? Got a hairball? Hi, Tux. Kina. Kina. Hi. Angel. Hi, Angel. Hi, Angel. Sunny. And Shasta, and Buddha, and Rufus, and Ruka. Hi, Ruka. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl. You're just the sweetest girl. And Selena. Hey, Ab, should we go up here? Come on, Abby. Go up here. Hi, Sky Baby. And there's Roxy. Roxy dog. I know, I see them. I see you, silly puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right.